Hey everyone, welcome back to Culinary Crossroads. Let's make some mouth-watering fudgy cocoa chocolate chip brownies today. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade. Grease and line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper. Now let's start by melting the butter. In a microwave safe bowl, add 70 grams unsalted butter. Then add about 200 grams of granulated sugar. Microwave for a minute or until the butter is melted. Once the butter is melted, mix until well combined. Transfer this mixture into a larger bowl. Crack 2 cold eggs in the same bowl, one at a time. Using cold eggs in this recipe helps achieve that perfect fudgy texture we all love in brownies. Add in a third yolk as well. Using a whisk, beat this mixture till frothy. This can take about 4 to 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And mix until fully incorporated. This looks good. Add 60 grams of sifted all-purpose flour. Mix in egg mixture until well combined. Then add 70 ml of oil. I have used sunflower oil. You can also use coconut and olive oil. Add in the cocoa powder, baking soda and cornstarch. Cornstarch helps make the brownies thicker and gives the crust on top a nice texture. Using a rubber spatula, gently mix till well combined. Be careful not to overmix it. Mix 1 teaspoon of instant coffee in 2 teaspoons of water and add this into the brownie batter. Coffee enhances the flavor and gives the brownies a nice aroma. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 100 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use dark or milk chocolate chips as well. Mix until evenly distributed throughout the batter. Pour the batter into the greased baking tin and spread it out evenly with a spatula. Bake in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the edges are set and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs clinging to it. And just like that, our brownies are ready. Allow the brownies to cool to room temperature in the pan before trying to take them out. Once cooled, lift the brownies out of the pan and transfer them to a cutting board. Cut into squares or rectangles and serve. Look at that gooey goodness. Enjoy your delicious fudgy cocoa chocolate chip brownies. trust me, these are absolutely irresistible. The combination of rich cocoa flavor and melted chocolate chips is pure bliss. If you enjoyed this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Culinary Crossroads for more such delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy baking!